Who doesn't like to buy plants? And if you have ever bought cactus or succulents, you might be getting them bare rooted. People send it like this to avoid root rot. So you can put them in fungicide water like I am doing. This blue water is fungicide to avoid fungal attack, especially in winters, because it's like minimum is 2 degrees right now. And yeah, I am reporting this in winters. So I am putting my Haworthia, Stephania rotunda, which I mean got activated on its own. I missed it. It was kept in between the plants, so it got activated. So I am putting this too in water, and I will be repotting my Cooperi. So I think it's Japanese hybrid, which I really wanted to get for a very long time. So I'm putting few charcoal pieces. I couldn't find any stones, so this will do. This is my pre-made cactus succulent soil mix, and yes, it has cocoa peat because I have got some experience with cactus and succulents now, and these have white roots. That means these are live fresh roots, these are not dead roots, so I won't be trimming them. You might have seen me trim roots of like lithops because they were dead, so you can trim the roots, not fully, but you know, the fine roots you can trim. If you are a beginner, you do not have to do it. So I'm also removing pups because some of the pups got like they got deformed because of less space, and I want it to, you know, flourish, to widen up, to open up, to you know, keep them big, chunky, and look how pretty are they looking. So when they are kept in sun, they turn pink, because when I saw its original photo, it had many orangish pinkish leaves, and I'm so excited to see them in pinkish tones because I love these kind of plants that has pinks and oranges. And I already have Cooperi, but I wanted Japanese hybrid or such hybrids that have pink tones and orange tones for a very long time. I absolutely love them, but they are not available in India. Like, this is the first time in so many years I'm seeing this, and yeah, now I am so excited to pot them. This is my new Gymnocalycium Black Widow, I guess. This is the black variant. I have another one. I have smaller plant of this, and all you need to do is put lots of perlite or inorganic matter in your soil mixes if you have a heavy hand on watering like me, and put them in bright light or in the place where they get good amount of sunlight, because not every succulent or cactus will tolerate long hours of sunlight. So you have to, you know, this is a trial and error. See what works out for you, but avoid watering frequently. Now after this, they won't be getting water for like 1 month because it's winter time. So yeah, these were a few of my tips, and if it helped you, don't forget to subscribe.